Making sure your operations have clean, dry, compressed air running smoothly through your pneumatic system is crucial. That's why it's important to use the correct air preparation equipment, like Norgren's filters, regulators, lubricators, and combination units. By using Norgren's online air preparation configurator, you can build a unit tailored to your exact specifications. Whether you're looking for a specific port size, flow direction, drain type, or another feature, our online configurator tool can build the product solution you need. Let's get started. When you land at our web page, hover your mouse over Technical Support, then navigate to Configurators. When you land on the Configurator page, navigate down to Air Preparation Configurator and click More Information. When you land at the Air Preparation Configurator page, you have a few options. You can explore individual units, combination units, or create a custom assembly. Optionally, you can use the Launch Configurator button to the left. We'll use that method. The FRL Assembly Configurator main page is where you will choose between the Excelon Plus 82 series or the Excelon Plus 84 series. You can also view datasheets for each individual unit and select the port size. Optionally, you can click Launch Configurator underneath the picture. We'll use that method and create an Excelon Plus 84 series FRL. Let's choose our first unit. It is Norgren's recommendation that you equip a shutoff valve at the beginning of each FRL for ease of service and cutting off flow. For more information about what each unit does, you can hover over the red information icon for a brief explanation. You can also view a product datasheet at any time for each unit. Let's add a shutoff valve. When you land on the unit configuration page, you'll see an image of the unit and multiple options for the unit, such as port size and silencer. Some options for the unit will not be available to change. When you change an option, it will update in the image and also on the right in the configuration box. Now that we've configured our shutoff valve, let's add another unit. Next, we'll add a filter. We can choose from a filter regulator, a general purpose filter, a coalescing filter, which filters out particulates in the air down to a micron level, or a simple regulator, which will regulate the PSI without filtering. Let's add a filter regulator. When we land on the Configure Unit page, you can choose your drain, your bowl, your filter element, your adjustment range, or another option, such as what type of gauge. We'll select the electronic gauge, also known as the IEPS. Now that we've configured a filter regulator, let's add another unit. Next, we'll add a lubricator. You'll be able to select the lubricator type. You can choose an oil fog lubricator, which uses systemic pressure drops to feed oil droplets directly into the system's air supply, or a microfog lubricator, which turns the lubrication into a fine mist, which travels better over long distances. You'll see your port size, flow type, and drain. You'll also be able to select a bowl, either guarded polycarbonate or metal with sight glass. We'll choose metal with sight glass. Note that the picture will update. At this point, we have completed building an FRL, which is a filter, regulator, and a lubricator. However, Norgren offers many more units to add to your custom air prep solution. You can add manifold blocks, pressure sensing blocks, or a solenoid control valve. Let's add a solenoid control valve. You'll be able to choose which type. We'll stick with the soft start dump valve type. You'll also be able to see your port size, or choose a coil voltage. We'll choose the 110-120 volt option, or add a silencer. We'll attach a quiet air silencer. QuikClamps link your FRL units together. You can get them with wall mounting brackets or without wall mounting brackets. Once you're satisfied with your FRL configuration, you'll select Complete Configuration. When you land on the Complete Configuration page, you'll see your configuration part number at the top. You'll also be presented with options such as flow direction, where you can choose left to right flow or right to left flow. We'll stick with left to right flow. You can choose whether to add pipe adapters. You can choose to put one on the upstream side, one on the downstream side, or one on both sides. On this screen, you can also double-check your QuikClamp preferences. You can go back and edit your configuration. Or if you're not satisfied with what you built, you can discard your configuration. Also from this screen, you can view and download a 3D CAD model of your configuration. When the CAD preview loads, you can manipulate it by clicking directly on the unit, by clicking in the Cube Navigator, or by exploring the option icons below the CAD model. There are many view options to ensure that you can view your configuration from every angle. To download a file to view in your CAD modeling program, click the cog icon in the top right corner. You can add a file format by clicking the Add Formats button. We offer many popular 2D and 3D formats. As an example, we'll choose a SolidWorks format. When you click the Start Generation button, you'll be returned to the CAD viewer where your download will appear near the top. It may take a moment to load. Once it does, click Download. A Save dialog box should appear where you can designate a destination to save your file to. When you're satisfied with your configuration, you can add it to your basket. Use our online configurator today by visiting www.norgren.com or call 1-800-514-0219 for more information.